welcome back to my channel. My name is Chantel and this is video 2 of the MamMaw relaunch journey. So if you watched video 1, you would have seen that I made a big decision to shut down, to pause my ready-to-wear collection side of the boutique so that I can start with more clarity, more intention and excellence. So right now I've officially started the sale, the big sale that we're having here at MamMaw. It's a clearance sale, January clearance sale. So this is like a symbolic move to clear, make space for my new plans and how I'm looking to move forward with clarity and intention. I've sent out emails to all my email subscribers and some of them have made some orders, so I will be packaging them today. So I'm going to take you a behind the scenes look at how I do things here at MamMaw. I always give my email subscribers the first news, so when anything's happening, as soon as it happens, I let my subscribers know via email. So if you want to be the first to know about any sales that we're having here or any new products or events that we have, pop-up shops and giveaways that we sometimes do, just click below on our mailing list newsletter. So this sale isn't just about clearing stock, it's also about clearing space physically and mentally for what's coming ahead. So for all my plans that I have coming ahead. And because it's so cold here in England now, you see I've got this thick jumper on. This video is going to be a cozy behind the scenes video, just showing you how I do things when it comes to packaging. I've carefully selected each customer's piece, checking the fabric, the finish, and making sure everything is exactly as it should be. Every order still feels personal to me. Even during the sale, I want my customers to feel valued and looked after. This is the Makemba maxi dress and is one of my best sellers. Okay, so I have all my packaging laid out that I use. So I designed and printed these on Canva. These are just a thank you note. I always put them in, and it's just got a special message here from me and a photo of me and all the social media and a barcode so that the customer can leave a review, which is always very helpful for me. When customers leave a review, so all the customers, please do leave a review. And I have another card as well, just advertising my head wrap range as well, so that's just showing all the different head wraps. And then I have a address, my address, correspondence address, so they can correspond with me if they need to or do any returns. And then I also have this transparent bag, which I like to place everything in. I like to place the garment inside of. It's not really necessary, but it just makes it look professional. I'm considering whether or not to use it in the future because it's just like extra, and it's just probably going to end up in a landfill anyway. So it's like, do I really need it? Might use tissue paper, I think, going forward, but we'll see. This is what I'm using for now. And then, of course, I have the mail bag as well. I need to actually get some more of these and redesign them, but this is what I use, and I've got these in different sizes. So I have packed the 2 parcels for the 2 customers, and I have some more to pack for other customers, but I'm going to get to those later because I have to go to a meeting. So before my meeting, I have to post these at the post office. So I'm off to the post office now. Okay, so I'm back from the post office. It was so cold out there, oh my gosh. Oh, to all the UK people, you know exactly what I mean. So, come to the end of the video now. Thank you for watching. If you want to be ahead of the game and find out when our future big sales are and other news here at MamMaw, like pop-up shops and discount codes, giveaways, etc., do sign up to the mailing list below. There's a link below, so do sign up for that, and you'll be the first to know everything that we've got going on here at MamMaw. So thank you for joining me on this journey on my relaunch, MamMaw's relaunch. This journey is about doing things better. So I'll be showing you more behind the scenes. I don't normally do this and it's so out of my comfort zone, but I'm doing it. I'm feeling the fear and doing it anyway, as the book says. Thank you for being here, and I'll see you in the next video.